This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by concentrating the soup base so the dumpling actually contains liquid. Simmer 500 ml vegetable stock to about 300 ml, then cool. Meanwhile, finely mince 150 g cabbage, 50 g mushrooms, and 30 g carrot. Mix with 1 tsb soy and a pinch salt so flavors bind. Once done, lay out 6-7 cm round wrappers and keep them covered with a damp towel to prevent drying. You need the broth gelled so it won't leak during folding. Chill until semi-solid, then cut into 1/2 1 cm cubes. Place a small spoon of vegetable mince and 1 broth cube in the center of each wrapper. Bring edges up and pleat. Aim for 6-8 tight pleats, so steam won't force a rupture. Make sure to moisten the rim with a touch of cold water before folding. This creates a strong seal and prevents leaks when cooking. You'll steam the dumplings 8-10 minutes over medium-high heat on parchment or a cabbage leaf so they don't stick. Once steamed, you can pan fry briefly for contrast. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a hot pan, arrange dumplings, pour 50 ml water, cover and cook until water evaporates. This gives a crisp base. If a dumpling leaks, make sure seals are tight, chill the broth more before forming, and reduce filling moisture by squeezing or quickly sautéing the vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.